Samsung is gearing up to shake the flagship world once again, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra might just be its boldest move yet. According to tipster Jason C., Samsung's next-gen Exynos 2600 is a serious upgrade built on the company's advanced tuned GAA process. It features a 10-core CPU setup, with a 3.8 GHz prime core, 3 cores at 3.26 GHz, and 6 at 2.76 GHz. The chip delivers up to 30% better AI and NPU performance, introduces a brand new GPU design, and improves thermal control thanks to Samsung's new heat pass block system. Early Geekbench 6 results show around 3,300 in single-core and 11,200 in multi-core performance, putting it right up there with Apple and Qualcomm's best. Jason also shared some big updates about the Galaxy S26 lineup. The entire series is getting upgraded telephoto cameras, while the S26 Ultra will feature a larger main sensor with a wider aperture. All models will now use M14 QHD displays for sharper visuals, and Samsung is reportedly testing a larger battery exceeding 5,000 mAh. And here's the most interesting part: the Exynos 2600 may not be limited to just the base or plus versions. Jason suggests even the Ultra could run on it in select regions, marking a strong comeback for Samsung's in-house chip. If these leaks hold true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could set a new standard: faster, cooler, sharper, and smarter than anything Samsung has built before. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section below. Samsung is gearing up for something big: the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This isn't just another yearly refresh, it's shaping up to be a true leap forward, especially in the camera department. The S26 Ultra is said to pack major hardware overhauls, aiming to set a new benchmark for smartphone photography. According to tipster Jason C., Samsung has officially confirmed AI and camera upgrades for the Galaxy S26 series, though he also warned of a potential price increase tied to the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip. This suggests that Samsung is going all in on performance and imaging, even if it means a higher price tag this time. Meanwhile, a detailed report from Notebook Check reveals that Samsung is finally making significant improvements to its telephoto system. The 3x optical zoom lens, which previously used a smaller 10-megapixel sensor, is being replaced with a larger 12-megapixel sensor, measuring 1/2.55 inches compared to the older 1/3.52-inch one. This change should greatly enhance light capture, clarity, and detail, especially in low-light situations. But the real excitement lies in the 5x periscope telephoto lens. Leaks suggest it's being upgraded to a 50-megapixel sensor, possibly featuring a wider f/2.9 aperture versus f/3.4 on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That means brighter zoom shots, reduced noise, and sharper detail even when zoomed in from a distance. As for the main camera, Samsung appears to be retaining its 200-megapixel sensor, but insiders hint at a larger overall sensor size, possibly around 1/1.1 inches, allowing more light capture and a richer dynamic range. The ultra-wide camera is also rumored to jump to 50 megapixels, ensuring high-quality results across every lens. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, Samsung may once again reclaim its title as the smartphone camera king. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section below. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now, and let's dive right into it. First up, the standard Galaxy S26. It's coming with a 6.2-inch dynamic A/OLED display with improvements in brightness and color accuracy. We get a 120Hz display with HDR10+ and a resolution of 1080x2340. The display will be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, but the exact sensors are still unknown. It'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset and comes with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit with 25 dB fast charging and 15 dB wireless charging. It will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at around $800 in January 2026. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, which may also be known as the S26 Edge. This one will come with a 6.7-inch dynamic ANO LED display with similar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. You'll get a 120Hz display, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440x3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. There's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. The rear setup includes a dual camera system with a wide and an ultra-wide camera, though the exact sensors are still under wraps. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and will come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4,900 mAh unit with 45 DU fast charging and 15 DU wireless charging. It will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. This model will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to be priced from $1,000 in January 2026. Finally, we have the premium model, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one features a 6.9-inch dynamic ANO LED display, again with improvements to brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, with a resolution of 1440x3120, and it will be protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 3. There have been reports suggesting that this could feature the first ever under-display camera on an S-series phone, likely an 8-megapixel under-display selfie camera. On the rear, it will come with a quad camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, but the exact sensors are still unknown. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions and will come with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.0. It's packing a 6,000 mAh battery with significant improvements to fast charging. As expected, it will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2026. Overall, it's looking like the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is going to be an exciting release, especially if the Ultra becomes the first S-series phone to feature the under-display camera. Samsung seems to be continuing their strategy of improving and refining their phones, rather than completely redesigning them for the sake of it. And just like all new phones, there will be a major emphasis on software, with AI playing a huge role in the user experience. The launch is still a bit far off, but we can expect plenty of information to leak as we approach the release date. Make sure you're subscribed